Can you imagine? I was given an opportunity at the African Fashion Night here in Zurich to make a digital interpretation of all the designers that were participating, and this is what I came up with. So the first designer was Anne Kubai under the brand Fashion Aid, as you can see. I wanted to give this brand a more feminine, look, because when I looked at her brand, she has so many florals and whatnot. So I wanted to give her a modern, but still like giving a boutique, like exclusive boutique. Go check her out, check her stuff out. Yes, she's from Kenya. And yeah, so the next one was Kasare, as you can see. Kasare is an African concept store in Zurich. Those who know it know it. And these are the looks that they provided, and this is what I was able to come up with. And the next one is Flamingo. Flamingo is a Kenyan brand. I was really glad to meet the designer. And these are the designs that came from Flamingo. It was so much fun working with Flamingo because her designs were very different, I must say. And these were the results. If you would like me to post without the original fashions, then please let me know in the comments below. But that is Flamingo. Yeah, at least this one you can see without the original designs, the in real life designs. The next one is Kenny Boutique. Kenny Boutique is more of like an evening kind of evening wear cocktail kind of boutique, right? So I gave them that feeling, that modern feeling, as you can see, and working with their dresses and their elegance, and gave them a mood of elegance. You can see the atelier is very elegant. Yeah. And the next one is Shayo. Shayo is from Nigeria, and these were the looks. Unfortunately, I picked two of the women's looks, which I thought was the representation of the brand, but the designer was like, oh no, it's too girly. I didn't realize that he had more of menswear, but this is what I was able to come up with Shayo. You can go check out the brand as well. And I came up with this because this is what they provided. I don't know if this is 100% the representation of the brand because it's unisex, but you can go check it out as well. And these were the results for Shayo. The other one is Urban Zulu. Now, Urban Zulu is the one that I did last, and oh my goodness, I don't know if I could have done more with the details and whatnot, but this is what I came up with. Something clean, something infinite, and this was the inspiration from the man for the in real life. It was really hard to get this print on the trousers, something that I must learn and work on. But yeah, even the black dress came out okay. It was okay, and it was still representing the brand itself, Urban Zulu. And yeah, the designers were impressed, I must say, so I did not feel really bad. Yeah. So the next one is Jermaine Blue. He's also, I think Ghanaian or Nigerian. Please excuse me if I've forgotten. But with this one, I was able to also do some more AI with it. I think it's because the print would not come out 100%. I don't know if you can see that on the man's jacket, right? So I had to kind of camouflage the mess in a way. But this is what I came up with for Jermaine Blue. He had given me those two looks, and I made them what you see right now. And yeah, that's what I came up with. And the last brand is Inside by Raquel Cole, who is also a friend of mine, a fellow designer like me. And this is what I came up with because her brand is a bit misty. She's an upcycler and stuff, so it was hard for me to find the exact fabric on this dress, on this outfit. But I did my best, and this what came out. And this is the man, the trousers with the man, the original, and the digital one, right, is what you see. So this is what I came up with because she has this mystic feeling about her brand, right? And that's what I was trying to achieve. So let me know what you think. Bye.